Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive chats on ChatGPT so you can keep your conversations clean and organized. Let's jump right in. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the app, go ahead and open the chat you want to archive. Now, at the top of your screen, tap on the chat name. This will bring up a menu with different options. From here, look for the archive option and tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap Archive again to confirm. And just like that, your chat is now archived and removed from your main chat list. Now, if you ever want to view your archived chats, here's what you need to do. Tap on the two lines in the top left corner of your screen to open the menu. Then, tap on the three dots next to your name at the bottom. This will take you to the Settings page. Inside Settings, find and tap on Archive Chats. Here you'll see all the chats you've archived. You can open them anytime or manage them as needed. So that's how you can easily archive chats on ChatGPT and keep your chat list organized. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.